Assalamualaikum. In this video, I will show you how to remove all page break add-ons in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, insert the page break. Keep the cursor end of text and go to Insert menu. Click the page break. Keep the cursor end of text and go to Layout menu, Break, Page Break. Now view the page break, go to Home menu, click the paragraph icon, check the page break, or go to Web Layout menu. Go to Find and Replace and choose the Replace. Expand the option Less or More and click the Special. Select the Manual Page Break and find the page break. Now click the Replace All. My all page break remove add-ons. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.